What's going on, guys? It's Reese here from Built from the Bottom. This is part 2 of my GSXR rebuild. So the battery just came in for the bike. We're about to go head in the shop and install that. And then after that, bleed the brake lines, paint the rear wheel, put the levers and the grips on it. And then we're gonna wait until the fairing kit comes in to give you guys part 3. So stay tuned. Hell yeah. You can see this bike definitely hasn't been running in a long time with the way it started up, and I'm assuming that's bad fuel, that's why it's doing that. Ooh, it's raining out there. But yeah, 6,700 miles on it, mad low miles. See if the modes work. A mode, B mode, C mode. All right guys, the battery's in it. If bike starts and runs, time to bleed those brake lines. This fluid is obviously very, very old, and you can see it's deteriorated. But when that stuff gets on these fairings, it will just destroy them. 16ths, and bleed these, open and close it until you see the clear fluid come out because of the old fluid in this bike. And then right here, you never want to forget to do this, because sometimes like you'll bleed all that fluid through it and the brakes will still be completely spongy. And you're gonna wanna open this up and close it, and they'll get some air bubbles in here when you're putting the new fluid in it. And this is what good fluid looks like. So, you know, brakes are good now. Time to move on to the rear wheel. I go with black because the white kit, I could do white wheels on it, but I've done that before and I think it might look pretty cool with both black wheels, and it's easier maintenance. Guys, got the rear caliper off. This is actually in really good condition. So is this wheel. I kind of feel a little bad painting it, but it needs to be black. So let's tape this thing up and start spraying it.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, we just got it all masked up, it's time to paint it. This is a paint and primer, so the way I have it scuffed up with only 400 grit, it should work perfectly. 2 coats of base and then 2 thick coats of clear coat on it. And this just looks really, really good. So now I gotta put it back on the bike. I got 2 packages in the mail today. This is the grips and this is the levers. Let's go put them on. I actually didn't think these were gonna come in today because it's Saturday. So I put this bike here in the corner. Now I gotta wheel it back out so I can work on it. The tools we're gonna need for this is a flathead screwdriver, a knife, 10mm wrench with socket, and my Allen key set. So I always like to start with the clutch side. What you're gonna wanna do is twist this in a little bit so there's more slack on your clutch lever. You wanna take the 10mm ratchet on the underside. It's pretty much the same on all bikes, so. Take some of my big sexy hair, spray it inside of here. You can go crazy with it. You can put a whole bunch in there. It'll help lubricate it, and then once this dries, it'll stick on there real good. Well guys, that's it for now. I got the rear wheel painted on it. I got it back on the bike. And other than that, we're just gonna wait for the fairing kit to come in and install that in part 3. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get this bike looking freaking perfect.
Rolling through the city in that matte black whip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rolling through the city in that matte black whip. You already know I'm in that matte black fit. Yeah, I might just hit